Do you know the fear of public speaking is the biggest and the scariest fear of all the fears? And the surprising part is the fear of death comes in the second place of the list. Hello my dear friends, myself Omkara Cheetrala and your public speaking coach. I'm going to teach you, or in this video you're going to learn how not to use your crutch words, filler words or the repetitive words that makes your speech look a little less impressive. Let's get into it. My tip number 1. Smile and look. Yes, this is my personal favorite. The moment I get onto the stage, I get confused. I don't know what to speak. And that's when I actually smile. And look at every single person coming there just to listen to what I'm going to say. Isn't it beautiful? I feel so gratitude for those people who are sparing, investing their time in listening to what I'm going to preach for the next few minutes. That helps me feel comfortable with the stage. Tip number 2, get habituated to pauses. You know the major reason why we use these crutch words, filler words? It is because we pause a lot. We think that we are superiors, we should be the masters, we should be the best of the best when we are presenting ourselves. And that's where we feel giving pauses is like, is it good? But actually, let me tell you, my dear friends, giving pauses is the best way to stress on the points. Let me tell you something important here, or with an example. I want to tell you something that is important. That is, keep smiling. See, I gave a pause to stress on something and grabbed your attention. That is on keep smiling. Well, do not forget to keep smiling. With that, let's jump upon to our third tip, that is admit that you are lost. Yes, it looks a little crazy, but let me tell you with simple 2 examples. Example number 1. Today our topic is today our topic is, I'm sorry, I'm lost. Let me restart. Today our topic is, yes, how not to use. See, these are the 2 examples. Which one do you think is actually more connected to the audience? Let me tell you, my dear friends, you're presenting not to robots. They are just like humans, just like you. They are ready to accept you. And let me tell you one important secret. They will be easily connected to you only when you show your vulnerable points. Now, being lost is a very common thing. Everybody loses in a conversation, and you being lost is actually an advantage for you to connect with your audience. And that's your best chance. With these 3 tips, I hope I added some value in your lives today. Thank you so much for listening to me so far and watching my video so far. If you are having any further tips to improve your speeches and taking it to the next level, please do let me know in the comment section below. Till then, take care, love you. This is Omkara Cheetrala signing off.